In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to complete assigned issues in Github. It's an essential skill for anyone collaborating on software projects, and today I'll walk you through the process in a clear and straightforward manner. Let's begin by accessing the assigned issue. First, ensure you're signed in to Github. Once you've logged in, navigate to the specific repository where the issue is located. In this repository, you'll want to click on the Issues tab, which will list all ongoing issues for the project. From there, identify and open the issue that has been assigned to you. It's important to spend some time understanding the issue thoroughly. Start by reading through the description provided by the issue creator. This will give you context and detail about what needs fixing or adding. Pay attention to the requirements and any specific criteria that must be met. You should also look over any comments from team members. They might offer valuable insights. Don't forget to check if there are any linked pull requests, as these might contain related work that could affect how you address the issue. Now let's create a new branch specifically for this issue. This step is crucial as it allows you to work on your changes without affecting the main codebase. Choose a clear and descriptive branch name. Examples could be fix login bug or feature ad search. Naming your branch well helps others understand the purpose of your work at a glance. With your branch ready, it's time to make the necessary changes. This could involve updating the code, tweaking documentation, redesigning parts of the user interface, or modifying files as needed. Before moving on, ensure you've thoroughly tested your changes to verify everything functions as expected. Next, commit your changes to your local branch. Your commit message should be concise yet descriptive enough to convey the essence of your work. Examples might include fix login validation bug or add dark mode feature. This message provides a record of what was changed and why. After committing, you'll want to push your branch to the remote repository on GitHub. This step uploads your work so that others can view and collaborate on it. Once your branch is on GitHub, the next step is to create a pull request. Navigate again to the repository and select Compare and Pull Request. This option allows you to propose your changes to be merged with the main codebase. It's essential to provide a clear PR title and description. Also, reference the issue you're working on, often using phrases like closes number 25, which directly ties the pull request to the issue. After submitting your pull request, be prepared to address any feedback you receive from reviewers. If changes are requested, update your code accordingly. Commit those changes and push them to your branch. GitHub automatically updates the pull request with these changes. Finally, once your pull request has been approved, you can proceed to merge it. If the issue reference was correctly included, merging will automatically close the issue. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to completing assigned issues on GitHub. With these steps, you'll be well equipped to contribute effectively and efficiently to your team's projects.